Hello everyone, this is Dipali. I'm working in cloud and neurology as a senior Salesforce consultant. And here is one of my case studies for the project that I have worked on in the past. So there was a company we assessed, it was a Dubai-based company, and that provides risk and management solutions, sales and marketing services, and also training services. Basically, the client wanted to have a role hierarchy kind of chart in which they can show their employees according to their sharing settings, and they can then show their reports and dashboards of what tasks are allocated to them and what they're doing. As we are using Professional Edition in Salesforce, it does not provide access to many of the features and functionalities. So we opted for Visual Force page, which could simply show out the hierarchy in such a manner that he is a senior manager, the other one is a junior manager, and then likewise the hierarchy goes on. So this is all what we created in this hierarchy. Manjeet Chabra is the head and has access to sharing rules for all the employees in the hierarchy and all the data which is accessible to him. So the hierarchy is established in such a way that he's demonstrated as a leader with access to the data of the employees under him, and he's able to view all the reports and dashboards. So here, let us take an example. Suppose we go to this and you can see we have created several reports and dashboards for the client so that he can have an overall look for the dashboards. We wanted to create a separate dashboard for team overview, task versus achievements, etc. And so the client provided us with different criteria and we created different dashboards based on that criteria, such as target versus achievement on a quarterly basis, opportunities closed one last month, top 5 product breakup, the amount won by sales representatives, pipeline stages. So as per the stages, we divided the opportunities. We also enabled the monthly forecast option. Then this is the entire sales process. So this is according to the opportunity owner and this kind of table which we wanted to have based on opportunity name and largest amount. And this is to calculate the top open opportunities. So we created these types of reports and dashboards for all the users in the hierarchy and provide the required settings. Based on this, data gets visible to only specific people. So this is all about my project, and I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you.